Hello, this is Dan with Unilog. Over the next few minutes, we're going to give you an overview of merchandising using your Sim2 platform. Specifically, we'll talk about linked item types for cross-selling and upselling, featuring categories, manufacturers, and brands, and finally, creating search-driven promotions for your site. When a customer comes to your site, you want to be able to provide them with more than just what they're searching for. It can be just as important to offer them additional or related items to consider with their purchase. Often your customers will not be thinking about these items, and you can help them avoid potentially leaving out important companion products. This, along with the digital assets and enriched product information, will help to provide them with the total shopping experience. And it will also lead to an increased average order value on your web orders. Notice how related items are easily visible and displayed along with the rest of the product information. Now, let's see how these are stored in Sim2. Here in Sim2, we can navigate to the item and to the Linked Items tab. This is where we can view all of the linked items for an individual product. Keeping in mind that related items will be part of the enriched product data provided to you from Orgill's Industry PIM. Now that we've taken a look at linked items for upselling and cross-selling, let's look at another way to merchandise your products through Sim2. By featuring specific categories, brands, or manufacturers, you can help guide your customers to the products you want to sell. Through Sim2, you can easily identify the ones you want to feature. Here we can see all of the category information provided from the Industry PIM, including category image and extended category description. By marking it as a featured category, it will now be included in the Featured Categories widget in your CMS. In addition to categories, you can also feature manufacturers and brands on your website. It is simply a checkbox to include a manufacturer in the Featured Manufacturer widget within Sim2's CMS or Content Management System. The same is true for brands. Mark it as featured, and you are good to go. And finally, with Sim2, you can promote certain items based on words that your customers search on your site. Give your promotion a name. Set a start date and end date. Next, set the search words that will trigger the promotional page. Then, select the items or groups of items you want to include in your promotion. And finally, choose a banner to highlight your promotion. Now, let's see what it looks like on the site. Typing in one of the search words will bring up the promotion we just set up. Notice the banner and the items listed below. Thank you for joining us for the overview of merchandising with Sim2. We have looked at using linked items for cross-selling and upselling, featuring categories, brands, and manufacturers, and setting up search-driven promotions. Taking advantage of these features along with everything Sim2 has to offer will provide your customers with a total shopping experience, and your company with the return on investment you want. We hope you've enjoyed this and invite you to request a full demo from us using the contact information below. Thank you and good luck.